Shell Beach. There's a parking lot over there where you see those gentlemen. So these are concrete slabs that we're on today, and conveniently they have holes. He's in a hole as well because it's slow. We're not getting any bites so far. It is early in the afternoon. It's a little around 3, a little after 3 maybe.
Got a nice one on. Good size. It feels like a stingray. Oh, it is a ray. Oh, he's a good size one too. Got some nice wings. Woo! Watch yourself. All right. Looks like he swallowed the hook. Take care of this now. All right. Awesome. I think I'm gonna let this one go. I thought about keeping it, but he's just a little too small. There you go, buddy.
Not a lot of joy here. Couple bites, nice ray. We're gonna go into the sun over here. Here's the Battle of Lake Borgne historical plaque, and then this is a Katrina monument. There was someone fishing here when we first came up. I'm gonna try it out. It can be a good spot sometimes. You ready? There's always a drawback, and here comes its wake. It's gone real peaceful. Hadn't been a boat for a while. Fish are jumping close into us. It's driving us nuts. Probably just little bass. Haven't had much of a bite. Larry's over by the canal, and I'm over here where they launch kayaks. It's very tranquil, very peaceful. Wish I could catch a fish now. All that tranquil and peaceful talk just went out the window. I reeled back and I've got a little bird's nest on my line. I don't know how that happened. I gotta deal with it now. Well, bird's nest dealt with. I'm gonna come back over here, fish next to Larry for a little bit. Feels like this session is unraveling, like that bird's nest unraveled. Thought it would be a rotten egg, but it came unraveled just fine. Well, I walked over here and Larry was already ready to give up. In fact, he was giving up, and he's convinced me to give up as well. But to be honest, this spot just gets unbearable when it gets dark. Once the sun goes down, you're inhaling gnats like in a Kurt Vonnegut novel. So it was to be expected today. Not good fishing. It's been raining all week, so these kinds of places are a little rained out. But at least I had fun catching that big stingray. It's a shame my buddy didn't catch anything at all. He barely got a bite.
What are you gonna do?
Go again. See you next time.